But like a good one.
Oh, exactly.
Like, he looks more cute than actually dangerous.
Uh-huh. See, now I'm just gonna get some shots out over the chagas. And I'm just guessing, because I can't see, but there's nothing up in this area that's gonna hit me. But actually, it's just, your only real danger is running into shit.
Yeah, the cables, for example, right?
Uh-huh.
And you probably don't want to drive out of range, but it probably tells you, right?
Uh-huh. So there we are. That's a cool view.
Yeah! Oh my god, that is really cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that kind of thing takes maybe a little practice, being really steady.
Yeah.
And like I'm doing like a pan and a rotate at the same time.
Shit.
It's neat, this like fog that rolls through. Yeah, and then this shows me how much bad flight time. So I still have 20 minutes I can fly.
Okay, cool.
The one problem is though I have 17% of the remote. Yeah, I should have charged that up better. Okay, well this is ending quicker than I thought it would.
I see it's like tilted now.
Yeah.
So cool, we could set some...
Nah, I don't think they even notice. It should be coming over us a little bit. I have to bring it. We get along all right. He can be very. Oh, 1 second. I'll say more in a sec.
Landing.
Thanks.